Hi, I'm Jamie from Shanti Kai with a quick tip on working with our Venus Master Essence from our Cosmic Frequencies, our planetary line. Now, when we first created Venus, it was actually made as our female blend for softening energies during certain times of the month. So it's very soft, okay, and soothing to mind and emotions, and can also help you to lift above heavier energies that would weigh you down or hold you back from feeling confident and empowered. A lot of women work with this essence for dating, relationship balance, pairing it with attract for relationship harmony or attracting a partner. This is one of my favorite blends. Can't live without. I like to spray it over third eye, temples, throat, heart, front and back, and then of course throughout the aura. But you can also use it, over your chest, root and sacral chakras, more female areas, and good for women of all ages, good for men too. Anyone looking to balance the feminine, masculine energies, you can work with this to tap into and invoke some of the more Venetian qualities: love, romance, beauty, grace, charm, all of those things. And that is our Venus Master Essence. Thank you so much.